Hello there. We'll take a look at some of the big weather stories around the world now, and there's no bigger story than what's going on in the Bay of Bengal, where we have extremely severe cyclonic storm Fani. Here it is, showing up on the satellite picture, this area of cloud. It's picking up significant strength, with the winds expected to gust over 200 kilometres an hour, about 130 miles an hour prior to landfall. This system is tracking in a north-northwestward direction and is likely to make landfall in northeast India in the state of Odisha before spreading that torrential rain into West Bengal, Bangladesh and then the far northeastern states of India over the coming days. This is likely to be a significant storm both in terms of wind damage but also the threat of flooding. So the wind gusts 205 kilometres an hour, about 130 miles an hour. Amount of rain 200 to 400 millimetres, falling quite widely. That is going to cause some flooding. 1.5 metre storm surge that will inundate coastal areas. As I say, the landfall is expected Friday with some significant impacts for northeast India and Bangladesh. This weather system here, stretching across parts of the Midwest of the United States, has been bringing some very heavy falls of rain. And indeed, during Tuesday, we had a number of tornado reports stretching from parts of Texas into Oklahoma and Kansas as well. The front itself could also bring some localised flooding. And then to the southeast, around the Bahamas, we've got a spell of unsettled weather. Widespread thunderstorms here could produce 1 or 2 waterspouts, and those storms are going to be drifting towards Florida. So the weather is going to be turning increasingly unsettled here, with a risk of some really heavy downpours, perhaps some localised surface water flooding. Aside from those storms, it is pretty warm across the southeast of the United States. Cool weather, though, continues to affect much of Canada for the time of year.